This video demonstrates how to access your online group tutorial Canvas course, and also how to add Zoom meetings to the course. Please note, there is no requirement to use roll call for capturing attendance at online tutorials this year, but Zoom attendance data will be available in the engagement dashboard. Creating Zoom meetings via the Canvas course ensures they are automatically added to the Canvas calendar, student app, and Zoom list inside the course. This means it's easier for students to access their online group tutorial meetings. You can access your Canvas course either via the Courses menu on the left-hand side or via the dashboard. Click on the course to open it. Once in the course, on the home page you should see your contact information and also the program administration contact information. If this has not been populated yet, this is a manual process that is being undertaken by the program administration team and may not be complete yet. Please be patient while the course details are being updated. To create a Zoom meeting within the course, select Zoom from the left-hand in-course navigation menu. To create a new Zoom meeting, select Schedule a new meeting from the top right-hand side. When you have clicked this, you will see that the topic title is already populated with the name of your course. If you have multiple tutorial groups, it is advisable that you create a clear naming convention that the students are aware of. This way, they understand which tutorial is for them and which one is for others. Next, where it says when, select the date you wish the meeting to take place on, followed by the time and the duration. Once you have updated the date, time, and duration, you can then scroll to the bottom and select Save. Once you have clicked Save, this will then take you to an overview page which has all the information you have just added. If you have made a mistake when setting up this meeting, you can select Edit this meeting to change it. If you wish to view this meeting or set up additional meetings, simply select Zoom from the in-course navigation menu. This will then display the meeting you have just created and give you the option to create additional meetings if required.